Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Tech Chat. Today I'm going to talk about a new topic. So this is about Windows command line commands. It means CMD commands. Okay guys, let's have a look at commands we are going to try on CMD. So I will try with the help command. So first I will try with help command. So guys, please open your CMD. On your search bar, please type CMD, then right click on the command prompt and run as administrator. Give yes. Okay, so why I am running the command line as administrator? Because some commands are not running without administrator privilege. So that's why I open this command prompt with administrator privilege. Okay, guys. So first command is help command. So guys, why I'm giving the help command as the first command? So help command will show the all available commands in my CMD. So let's have a look. I will type help and press enter. So guys, you can see all available commands on my Windows CMD. So if you have a look, you can see mkdir. This will create a new directory. What is a directory? It's a folder. If you have used Linux operating system, Linux guys normally use their command line. They don't use the graphical interface. But as Windows guys, we are used to use the graphical interface. So we don't use the CMD. But I think it's better to have an idea about CMD also. So in here you can see mkdir command creates a directory. So move commands used to move a file from one directory to another. And also you can see time command to display time. And also you can see ver command to display the Windows version. So this is few examples. So if you type help command and press enter, so you can learn each and every commands available in CMD with their meaning. Okay guys, anyway, I will teach you few examples. So now I'm in the system32 folder in system32 directory. The path is on the left hand side. You can see C Windows system32. So how can I see the my current working directory? So type cd and press enter. So cd means change the directory, but the directory was not changed, but it gave the current working directory. So that's how you can see your current working directory. So guys, but cd means the change directory, but there is no any argument because after cd we should give what is the location we need to reach, which directory we need to access, but I am not giving it. That's why cd commands gives the current working directory. So let's have a look how to change the current working directory to another one. I need to reach the C drive. So I will type cd space and c colon and backward slash. Press enter. Guys, now you can see on left hand side. Now I am in the C drive. Now my current working directory is C. So now I need to reach my desktop. So as we know, the directory path for the desktop is C slash users. You don't need to type all letters of users. Please type U and S, then press tab. It will automatically get the users as the directory because there are no any other available directory with name of U. So when you type U and US and then press tab, it will automatically take the available directory, available folder. So now type again backward slash, then type your user name because it's the your local user folder. My name is Ravindu, so I will type Ravindu. I will type only RA, then I will press tab, so it will automatically take the my directory. Then again backward slash, then press type the desktop. You need to type only DES. then press tab. It will automatically give the desktop. Now press enter. If you notice, on the left hand side, now you are on the desktop folder, which means desktop directory. So now how to see the available files and directories on the desktop? As I mentioned earlier, directories means folders. So now you can see what are the available files and directories. For that, please type dir and press enter. So you can see directories with label of dir. Okay guys, so you can see there are 7 directories are available. As example, Oracle VirtualBox directory and Python directory. So, and also you can see some text file also, techchat1.txt and techchat2.txt. Guys, this is how you can see available files in my desktop directory. So guys, let's have a look how to copy a file from current directory to another directory. Okay guys, so I will copy techchat1.txt to my to C users Ravidu directory. So I will copy it using command copy. Then type the file name which you need to copy from current location to another location. So I will just type TEC. Then I will press tab. So it will get techchat1.txt. So if you press tab again, it will get techchat2.txt also, because that file is also available in my current working directory, which start from TEC. Okay, then give a space and type the directory which you want to copy your text file. So I need to copy this to this location, C colon /users /Ramidu. So this is the directory which I want to copy this file. Now press enter. Yes. Okay guys, the system cannot find path is specified. So it means system is unable to find this path. So I think I have done some mistake. Have a look again. I need to copy techchat2.txt. My destination is C colon users. Okay, I have done a mistake because in here there should be a S. That's why I asked to use the tab when you input first 2 letters. So input first 2 letters U and S, then press tab. It will automatically take the relevant directory. Then press / again and type RAV, then press tab. It will take Ravidu. Now press enter. So now you can see one file is copied. So guys, that's how you can copy a text file from current location to another location. So let's go to that directory and have a look. If you notice, the folder Ravidu is just before the desktop folder. It means that desktop folder within folder Ravidu. So how can we go there without typing the full file path? So simply type cd space and double dot, press enter. It will get to the mother directory. It means the desktop folder is within Ravidu folder. So then cd space double dot will bring you to the your mother directory, and it is Ravidu, because we call it mother directory because the desktop folder within the folder Ravidu. Okay guys, now please type dir. Okay guys, now you can see techchat2.txt within your folder called Ravidu. So that's how you can copy a file. So now I am going to rename this. So type rename and space and input the file name which you are going to rename. I will type te, then press tab, it will take as techchat2.txt. Now give the name you need to replace. I will enter chat tech.txt. This should be the new name for the text file which has name of techchat2.txt. Rename techchat2.txt to chattech.txt. Press enter. So file was renamed. Let's have a look. dir. It will display the all available files. If you notice, now you can't see the techchat2.txt and it was renamed to chat.txt. So that's how you can rename a file. Okay guys, now I'm going to move a file from one directory to another directory. So I will use the command move. So I will type the file name which I need to move. So type chat and press tab. It will automatically get the text file. Then type the directory you need to copy. So please enter the full path. So C /us press tab /rabindu press tab array, then type then press tab. It will get the rabindu folder automatically. Then again press type desktop and press tab. It will automatically take the desktop folder. So now press enter. So overwrite, because same file, there is a text file available in that desktop folder with same name. That's why it is asking to overwrite. Okay, no problem. Type yes and press enter. One file is moved. If you list the current available files and folders again, you can't see that chattech.txt file. So let's move to the desktop folder. So again, I will change the directory using cd command. Okay, press enter. Now I will list the available directories and files. Now you can see chattech.txt within my desktop folder. So okay guys, that's how we can move a file from one directory to another, from one folder to another folder. So let's have a look how to open a text file using Notepad. Type Notepad and then type your text file name. Chat presenter tab, press tab, then press enter. So now the Notepad was open. Hi, please subscribe my YouTube channel. So this is an example to open a text file using Notepad. Okay guys, now how to display a message. Please type echo and space. Now type what is the message you want to display. We are take chat. That's my message. Press enter. Now you can see the message which I wanted to show via take chat. So guys, that's the few examples for CMD commands, and I think you got 10 idea about this. Okay guys, now I'm going to teach you few commands which help you to identify network related configuration. So I will type ipconfig and press enter. So then it will give the all available IP address configuration for you. So now network configuration for you. So for my wireless LAN, for my Wi-Fi, you can see my IPv4 address, my subnet mask and my default gateway. This is my private IP address which was given by the router using DHCP. So and default gateway, my router IP. Okay. Now I need to check connectivity, ICMP connectivity to google.com. So as you know, the google.com is available for everyone in the world. So let's have a look whether ICMP connectivity is okay. So then you will think, what is ICMP? Don't worry guys, That's ICMP is used to check connectivity, so it's using for testing purpose. So I will teach about it in the future videos. So I will use command pin. So the pin should reachable to the google.com. Let's have a look. I will type google.com. I am trying to check ICMP connectivity to the google.com. Press enter. So you can see that begin google.com, and it gives also the public IP address. If you watch my private IP address and public IP address video, then you have idea how to identify a public IP address and private IP address. As we are reaching the google.com or the internet, so it must have a public IP address. This is the public IP address. So now you can see the reply from the google.com also. So this is how test the ICMP connectivity. And if you need to check DNS resolving, guys, it's also possible using the CMD command. There is a CMD command in this lookup, and it will give the DNS resolution for any web address. So as I said you, the any public server, any public website must have a public IP address to reach. So google.com also have the public IP address. So let's see how to find the public IP address of the google.com. So NSLOOKUP help us to find the public IP address. It gives the DNS resolution. So NSLOOKUP, type google.com space google.com. Okay, guys. Okay, so this is, you can see name google.com and public IP address. So this is how we can find out the public IP address of the google.com, and NSLOOKUP help us to find out the public IP address of google.com. NSLOOKUP used to find out many more DNS records. So don't worry guys, I will teach you about the DNS in future videos. So then you can understand what is meant by DNS records. Okay, I will give a simple idea. So if you reach any web address, the internet is unable to reach the web names. It's for the, we are giving the web names as we are easy to remember this address, and but internet will not understand these names. So internet will understand only public IP address. So that's why all web servers have their own public IP address, and NSLOOKUP used to find out the public IP address. Okay guys, let's have a look on the command. So I need to check the time. I will type time and press enter. That's my time, and also ask in the enter the new time. So time is used to see the current time and edit the time. I don't need to edit the time, so I will need to cancel this. So press Ctrl plus C, it will cancel. And also I need to find the date. Type date, press enter, and it is showing the current date and asking to enter the date. So I don't need it. So cancel it using Ctrl C. Okay guys, this is all up to the video. So, and one thing to say you that please watch my old video series, and I have several playlists like Windows, Linux, cloud computing, web hosting, networking, DNS, email, programming, and many more video series. So guys, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and also share these videos with your friend. Follow my Facebook page. If you have any problem, please comment on the comment section, and you can contact me using my contact details. Please see on my description. So, and also thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.